Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. I'm laughing at myself because I was doing stupid things before I started filming this. But anyway, I just wanted to jump on here and say big ol' thank you to everybody that subscribed to me, all 218 of you at this moment. And I really appreciate it. I am so excited to grow this channel. I can see the 300 subscriber count that I have envisioned at the end of the year happening. I am so excited, so I just wanted to say thank you. I also wanted to tell you where I've been. And this is not a, oh, I've been sick and I haven't been doing this, blah blah blah, sad face video. Thank God, because I am not there right now, which I'm very excited about. I've had issues with my computer. Well, not issues with my computer, more of my husband decided to fix my computer or make it better. Not necessarily fix it, because it was fine, but make it better, and it caused me to lose my video editing software, which is fine because it was already having issues of its own. And yeah, so he bought me a new one, and it was for the regular people editing that know nothing about editing to jump in there and learn it, right? Well, because I'm used to a professional grade editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro, I couldn't go backwards, or it was very hard for me to go backwards, so it was taking me forever to learn it, and then I ended up kind of giving up on it. And then he bought me another one with Humble Bundle, which is this one right here you see in the background, and I love it. It's Magic's Movie Editor Pro or something like that. Vegas Pro, I think it's Vegas Pro is what it's called. It was Sony, then Magic brought it. Anyway, I love it. I'm very excited to use it. It's still taking me a while because editing in it is completely different than editing in Adobe. So I'm still learning, but it's a lot easier for me to learn in because it's got that, it's almost got the same kind of look and kind of feel of Adobe, which I like. And it's a one-time payment versus paying every freaking month for it, which is stupid. Sorry, but Adobe, you're dumb for doing that. Really dumb, because you're losing a lot of customers over it. And now you are not even allowed to go backwards anymore, which is really stupid because I had an older Adobe and now they're like, oh, no, you can't use this. So whatever. Screw you, Adobe. Screw you. I like what I found. Yeah, it's probably never gonna get me sponsored by Adobe, but that's fine because I didn't think I ever would be. I don't think I ever will be sponsored by anybody. I highly doubt it. Because I do this for fun. I don't do this for money. I don't do this for give me all your sponsorships. I do this for me. And I enjoy it, and I enjoy doing what I do. Oh, somebody's not happy outside. Sorry. Anyway, I just wanted to say that's what's been going on. Relearning softwares, which has taken me a while, and I've got this one done finally. I finally got it rendered, and I hopefully will have it uploaded today. Maybe, we'll see how that goes. It might not be until Monday, but yeah, that's just what's been going on. Nothing special other than that. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that subscribed, that comments and likes on my videos. I really appreciate it. It's awesome. It's an awesome feeling to have that audience, I guess you could say, since it's my channel. Wouldn't you be my audience? Sure. We'll go with that. Sure. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you again. Don't forget to hit that bell and the subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.